There was no competitors. We have started this business first, and there was a mass welcome between the crowds of Tamil Nadu for this product. And in 2018, we had an issue in distribution the stocks all over Tamil Nadu. So in 2019 we planned for distributor expansion, where we do production of glass bottle Goldi soda in our manufacturing unit, and we directly distribute it to the distributors who will keep the stock holders. They will work as a super stockist. They will deliver to the vendors of shopkeepers in their respective territory. In 2009, the business goes well in 2018 and 19, and 2020 and 21, it's an unfortunate for us. There was some COVID-19 breakdown. So our business got stopped as the government proposed there should be no any manufacturing unit or companies operate at that time. So we have stopped our business. But after this COVID outbreak gets finished, when again we launched, there was a much more welcome for our product among the people.
There seems to be some problem with the internet. Let's put the PPT on and let's run through the presentation, and then, you know.
Yeah. Is the screen visible now?
Not right now.
Okay. Let me share the screen.
Yeah, please.
Is it visible now?
Yeah, let's start from the first page.
Yeah, is it visible now? Hello?
Yeah.
In 2017, we have started this business. In 2018, it's a blue ocean product. And in 2019, distribution expansion happened all over Tamil Nadu, and we had around 15 distributors at that time. In 2021 and 22, it's a COVID breakdown, and 2022 to 24, we have again started this business, and we have moved to a production facility of 20,000 square feet area, and we are producing and selling around 25 to 30,000 bottles in a day. We also started this franchisee-led model in 2024. And currently, we are operating with 4 manufacturing partners as a franchisee unit in Tamil Nadu that is located at Palladam, Namakkal, Coimbatore, and Pollachi, with almost around 30 distributors around the Tamil Nadu and in Bangalore city. Currently, our business operation only in Bangalore and then Tamil Nadu. Yeah. Our vision is to revive the India's traditional Goldi soda and celebrate the culture, taste, and the nostalgic thing while opening the Goldi soda bottle. People will experience that, and there was a more craze among the people of India. So this is our vision. We need to take our brand and this product to across India, and our mission is to deliver the authentic fizz and taste and nostalgic thing to every people around and every corner of the India with the innovating packaging. Yeah, this is where we stands out. There are many more Goldi soda brands operating in India, but our packaging designs and we provide a opener where the people can open the bottles and they can experience that Goldi soda. We provide every product will have a individual opener. Before that, there was one opener with a vendor, and he will open the bottle and people cannot experience that. So we have innovated that opening mechanism and we have incorporated to our product. Our values that define Kaalaiyan is 3 I's, that are integrity, initiativeness, and then intelligence. Integrity part will come. We believe in trust, honest, and ethical business. We don't abandon our partners, and we don't let them do whatever they want. We will guide them, we will support them to success in their business. Initiativeness, we take ownership, act proactively, and drive results. In case of any issues in the market with the product or anything, in the business, we take initiativeness. We will work it out in such a way so that the investors or partners will get profitable, and they run the business smoothly. Intelligence, here comes our innovative R&D on the product. Yeah, in Goli Soda, people get to know only it's just a Goli Soda, but there is much more complication in terms of production and then branding and marketing. This is our bottle. This is how our bottle will be in the market. It will have a top sleeve for hygiene purpose. We use this so that the dirt and foreign particles that don't enter into the bottles, and we will have a premium packaging thing. We don't only provide a Goli soda in a sweet product. We also have zero sugar product, less sugar product in multiple varieties of soda can be done. And we do not use any artificial sweetness. We use natural sweetness like monk fruit or stevia that can be used in our product. And we have that niche market to be hit in a Goli soda bottle. There is a product with a normal cap and closure bottle, but in Goli soda, we are providing that product for the niche segment of peoples, and that is a most welcome product nowadays. People are moving towards health and consciousness. And this is our established presence, and we are already present. Franchisee outlets are in Namakkal, Palladam, Coimbatore, and Pollachi. They have started a year before, and they are running really well continuously. And if you are interested in our brand, you are almost welcome to visit our manufacturing units in this area. And our headquarters, it's located in Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. This is our franchisee model, and these are the missionaries, and these are the warehouse, or some clips of that I have shared. Yeah, why partner with us? At Kaalaiyan Golisoda, trust and growth go in hand. We believe and trust, and we support consistent transparency and clear roadmap for success. We have been in this business for the past 8 years, and we get to know how to run this business effectively and efficient so that we can drive towards success. We don't abandon models or chase short term profits. Every new initiative is designed to create opportunity, not to replace existing partnerships. So, we already have 30 distributors in Tamil Nadu and Bangalore. To support them, we haven't changed the model currently to the fully franchisee led model. We had a model in such a way we can also support this distributor partners and the franchisee partners. And in pan India expansion, we are planning in such a way where the franchisee will do both production and then distribution. Marketing will be taken care of by Kaalaiyan Goli Soda. Our field sales officer, they will be working in the market. Yeah, this is our franchisee approach. It is a FOFO model. It's a franchisee owned and a franchisee operated model. Brand guidelines regarding the manufacturing, regarding the distribution, regarding marketing, all those guidelines will be provided only by the company, and it's mandatory to follow everything that is provided from the company. And the investment is completely from the franchisee. Ownership is completely to the franchisee. Franchisee fee will be around 4 lakh rupee. We are charging 4 lakh rupee for the services we are giving in terms of it's a one-time franchisee fee, and it's there will be no subsequent charges year on year, or at the time of renewal of the agreement after 5 years. There will be no any franchisee fee at that time, and the royalty fee would be 5 rupees per bottle. We will be charging a royalty of 5 rupee per bottle, and with this 5 rupee of profit royalty that we get from you, we will offer marketing support and branding support from the company, and that will completely taken care of by the company. Operational expense is completely by the franchisee. Net profit or loss will completely under the franchisee. Lock-in period will be 3 years, and the terms for the agreement will be of 5 years, and it's subject to renewal after 5 years. There will be no additional charges for this renewal of the agreement. Yeah, this is the franchisee model. The initial investment will be 29 lakhs and 99,000 rupee plus government taxes. This money will be uh, given to the company, and we will be providing manufacturing equipments, bottles and crates, and then coolers for branding purpose. We do marketing for your brand in your territory. We will be boosting videos, and we will be continuously promote your product availability in the meta or online platforms. The setup cost will be around 7.5 lakhs. This includes the manufacturing unit setup and manufacturing unit setup. There should be a vehicle for delivery of the product, and the initial cost of raw material and the transportation of the raw material. All those things will come around 7.5 lakhs. And this money you don't want to pay to the company. This is completely your expense, and this uh, will be how this expenses should be made. That guidelines will be given by the company. The minimum area requirement for this franchisee operation is 1,500 square feet and above. In this 1,500 square feet, we will set up a manufacturing facility, which is we can set up our machineries, and we do manufacturing, and we also have a stock keeping unit of around 300 crates. We can stock it up here in this manufacturing unit. And the extra bottles and crates to increase the sales after 3 months. This comes after 3 months. If as we provide glass bottles to increase our sale in business, we need extra bottles and crates, and at that time we need this extra investment, and it will be around 4.4 lakhs for 6,000 bottles and 250 number of crates. Each crate will carry 24 bottles. So the total investment will be around 42 lakhs. The potential annual revenue in this business is 60 lakhs per annum. The payback period is of 25 months. Average ROI will be 58%, and the internal return rate will be on 46%. Yeah, we are. This is our rollout plan. We have planned from the starting of the day. We are open to pan India expansion from the phase one. We are looking for manufacturing units in this location, that is Noida, Ghaziabad, Faridabad, Varanasi, Nashik, Vapi, Surat, Ahmedabad, Mumbai, Bhopal, Udaipur, and Jaipur. These are all the tier one and metro cities. We are also focusing on tier two cities, but later on, we are currently open for pan India expansion. Yeah, why Kaalaiyan stands out is a smooth distributor to franchisee conversions. We have been working under this model for the past 1 year. We didn't plan to start this business 1 year before because we need to get 100% confident on this model. So we have operated 4 franchisees in Tamil Nadu, and we are confident now, and we are open for expansion pan India. It's a long-term growth focused profitable partnership. As it's a long-term business, we are providing this model with a manufacturing unit. As you are a manufacturer, you can manufacture based on the market demand. You can change the flavors as per your market demands. These are all the key that of having this manufacturing unit rather than the distribution model. Committed franchisee support. What are the commitment that we are giving at the time? We will support till our business ends, and transparent and reliable operations. We will give you the guidelines how this business to be operated, how transparent the costing of the raw materials. We will let you know who are all the vendors. We don't provide raw materials directly. You can directly buy the raw materials from the vendors, but only with the approval vendors. At this certain quality, we will check, and we will approve that vendors, and you can get raw materials from them. Market driven scaling. It's a balanced production and sales expanding based on the real demand. Having a manufacturing unit is not an issue, but there should be a real demand for the product so that we can do sales. We do both balance marketing, sales, and production. Branding and innovation. You can visit our website. We do branding and innovation. None other gold soda brands in India have done this. We are competing against Pepsi and Coke in India, and we are not competing against some other gold soda brands in the market. And the business management and R&D, focusing on branding, marketing, sales, research, and integrative growth. In gold soda, we don't limit to this product. We are open to deliver sugar-free products, sugar-free goli soda. It's a health-conscious product segment. We are also open for that. Yeah. Uh, this is how the business model is. Next, let us discuss completely how this business workflow is. Yeah. Once the agreement is signed, we will take around 40 days to deliver the machineries to your location. Before that, we will directly visit your manufacturing unit or warehouse which you are proposing. Our team will inspect the manufacturing facility and they will give approval on the plant. What are the requirements in the manufacturing unit is a 1500 square feet area with a proper drainage facilities required, because we are dealing with water and this water need to be discarded safely and as per the norms. So proper drainage facility is required, and you require a borewell facility. We will provide a RO, raw water to drinking water RO water unit, and that will be helpful for you to change your salt water groundwater to drinking water that can be used for product manufacturing. And you should have a vehicle. It's a uh, small load vehicle that is used for delivery across your territory, and that is more important. These are the four things. Once after the missionaries are sent to your location, our team with 4 to 5 people, they will come and erect the missionaries. They do trial and they will give training based on the production, and then how to do production, how to mix flavors, how to fill the bottles, how to operate the machines. We will give training to you how to address the issues that happens in machines. Maintenance logbook will be given from our team. All those preventive measures and care how to maintain the machinery capacity to run higher, we will give all the support. And after that, our sales team and marketing team will be there to take initial orders. Once it is taken, you produce the bottles and deliver to the market. Once again reorder, in the sense, you once the market the product gets completed, we take the bottles again to the company, and then again we do production, and then we again sell the bottle. This is how the manufacturing unit works. There is no much more complications in it. We take bottles, we produce, we sell to the market. We once the product gets completed or consumed by the customer, we again take back the bottles to the company. Again, we clean, we fill, and again we deliver. We also have option for PET bottles. It's a one-time use bottles, uh, where we can produce and we can directly deliver to the customers. They can take the bottles to the home. They no need to return that bottles. As it is a glass bottle, they need to return the bottles, and PET bottles they don't want to return. They can take it to their home. We have multiple options in the packaging itself. We have a glass bottle and then PET bottle. Yeah, this is the current franchisee model. If any doubts, you can ask for this. Once the doubts cleared in this, what I have explained, then we can move for the financials.
Thanks. Vineshwar, can we go back to the financials page?
This one?
Yeah. All right. So this is what the proposed franchise model. In case if you have any question, you can start putting it into the Q&A box, and we will now take them up. However, in case if you look into the Indian non-alcoholic beverage market, it is really very strong opportunity right now, especially for the traditional drink like Goli soda. As cities are growing, incomes are rising, and India has a large younger population, the demand for carbonated drinks remain very high, particularly in hot regions like south and north, right? The high consumption markets are always like these products. At the same time, consumers are also slowly moving away from global cola brands and are showing more interest in local, nostalgic, made in India product, kind of this Goli soda that feels authentic and emotionally connected. Goli soda already has the recall, has that recall, which makes it much easier to accept and scale compared to launching a completely new beverage brand. Today, the market is divided between unorganized local soda sellers with a poor consistency poor consistency and hygiene, and big FMG brands like brands that lack cultural relevance. This particular opportunity creates a clear gap for a branded, hygienic, premium version of the Goli soda. The demand is spread across many channels like kirana stores, college canteens, modern trades, quick commerce platform, and events. Tier 2 and 3 and semi-urban markets especially offer high repeat consumptions. With low cost per bottle and scalable business model, the Goli soda is a volume driven business that can grow quickly with wider distribution, making a strong the pan India beverage opportunity. I think these are some of the reasons why you must consider this brand as your entrepreneurship, as one of your franchise, because this really gives a lots of opportunities. I mean, I particularly, let me give you my example. I now don't anymore drink Coca-Cola. Instead, if I get opportunity to drink beverage like this, I drink it. So lots of people also shifting their choice from Coke based products to this traditional the beverage. If you look into the overall USP of this brand, um, it has it is more into reviving this strong Indian legacy product, right? Kalyan is just not a drink; it is the revival of India's iconic Goli soda, right? Which has a deep-rooted nostalgic and cultural emotion attached to it. Apart from that, unlike unrecognized, unorganized local soda sellers, um, Kaalaiyan has transformed Goli soda into clean, hygienic, and well-branded premium products. You saw that the wrap around the neck of this bottle makes really well. I saw this for the first time. Let me tell you. So that is again a great thing which this brand focus on very much on the hygiene part. Apart from that, the brand operates on a FOFO model, manufacturing plus distribution model, a franchise model, which allows faster expansion with lower company capex. And franchises have the overall control operation while the brand ensures the standard and create scalable and sustainable growth. Um, in case I mean, you must have seen the unit economics with the low material cost per bottle and structured cost model. Kalyan offers an attractive returns, 58% ROI, right? 46% IRR. So I mean, these things really makes this brand great, which you can get your money back within maybe like 25 months. And also, this opportunity is available for pan India. If you want, I mean, you are in east, west, north, south, wherever you can of course go for this particular business. This brand is open for pan India. So, in case if you would like to go for this brand, you can get in touch with us. I'm just sharing the number in the chat box. Meanwhile, some of the questions may arise, like how you will ensure the quality since you are available, since you're open for pan India. Vigneshwar, how will you ensure the manufacturing quality and the distribution? What is there any mechanism to control the overall business remotely?
Yeah. Uh, our manufacturing machineries will have a online sim based control where certain parameters are needed for this manufacturing of goli soda, like carbonation pressure and its temperature of the product at what it should be get filled, because at 2 to 4 degrees celsius this carbonation is better for filling. We
Mhm.
provide a chilling unit where the product gets cooled and then it goes for carbonation, and all those things will be monitored by our team in through online sim based thing. We have a program where the display will be transferred to our place. and we can operate that, and if there is any issue with that machinery, we can directly operate and get it rectified through online, and we don't want to come there or anything. And in case of quality of the product, the bottle cleaning, we have three stages. Initial, it is a bottle initial washing manually, and we have a brushing unit where we use brushes to wash the bottles inside and the outside of the bottles. uh, as we know, if the bottles are sent to the market outside, the dust will accumulate on the bottles. We have a manufacturing brushing unit where the bottles are get completely cleaned in every nook and corner of the bottle. And once after that is done, we have a rinsing unit where the bottle will get rinsed through high pressure water motors. The bottles gets completely cleaned with RO water. This whole process will be done only using the drinking water, and we will not directly use any groundwater or some municipal water that is government is providing. We treat the water and then we use for either cleaning or manufacturing of the bottles. Once the manufacturing is done, we have a quality control inspection system where the bottles are checked twice: initial checking and post checking, where the bottles will be scrutinized for any foreign particles inside the bottle present or any dust or accumulate in the bottle. And these are all the, there will be a critical control points around 3 to 4 that needs to be checked by the franchisee before the stocks are sent out to the market, and these guidelines will be given from the company.
Okay, Vigneshwar, by the way, in this particular, the category, we already have lots of, the competitors, right? We have lots of local brands also. How would you be able to compete with them? Like, do we have any particular USP which we basically talk more about it, which will work as the defender for those competitors?
Yeah, Indian market is a value sensitive market, right? We provide value to the customers rather than drinking the, yeah, it's a carbonated drinks in a bottle, they can get in a Pepsi Coke bottle and all those things. But in this Goli soda bottle, they will get their experience of drinking some bottle that is new to them. Again, competing with the existing Goli soda manufacturers, we provide value in terms of good taste. They can taste our product, which is in Goli soda market, we are leading taste, and people prefers us because of our taste. Our product itself will have that mark, and that is the unique selling point that we see. Our product taste in markets, there are Goli soda manufacturers, they use artificial sweetness as a product ingredient for sweetness, but we use 100% sugar, which is a grade of S30 grade. That is what we are using, and it is a cost is higher in terms of production, and so that our product will also cost higher than the current market. And we, as we have already initiative with this hygiene practice for the wrappers and the bottle openers, and this all will add up extra to the USP for the product.
Okay. Okay. If you could also, I mean, one thing I liked is that you also have sugar-free,
Yeah,
products, right? That
yeah,
is what the best part is. So everyone can, drink it. See, the best part of this product is that, it caters to all the age group, right? From child to the old age people, right? Either you
yeah.
have sugar
It
or
is mainly
no.
focused for the diabetic people. If the if someone is getting affected through diabetes, they will not they cannot take sweets, but they can drink our product. It's clinically proven, and after drinking this Goli soda with the natural sweetener, there will be no sugar spike in them. It's a clinically proven one, and you can also Google it. We are using monk fruit sweetener. It's a 1:1 sugar ratio. If we are adding 1 gram of this sugar, table sugar, and we can use this 1 gram of monk fruit sweetener, this will give the same taste but without any sugar spike in their body. That is the main point.
Great. And also, Vineshwar, I mean, India is a price sensitive country, right?
Yeah.
I mean, what is your per bottle cost? And I mean, what in case if there is any fluctuation in the pricing or any sort of price competition arises, How we will handle that, number one. And number two, what marketing support you will be doing.
Yeah. As a part of marketing support, we will be having a regional marketing manager who will be visiting the high volume vendors. That
Okay.
means if in your territory, if there is a high volume vendor who is a bigger restaurant in your territory, direct from the company, they will come and approach them and they will get orders for you. And we also have a field sales officer only assigned only for your company, for your franchisee. They will uh, in a week they will go to the market for 6 days continuously from morning 9 a.m to 6 p.m. They will go to the market, they will take orders, and then they will update you to some crm based concept, online based concept. You will get the orders through that. And also we are also providing a qr scanners which is will be useful and pasted on the stores, where the vendor can directly order without we directly visiting them or calling them. If they require our product, they can directly order through mobile, and we will receive that order with the shop name and all those details, and we can plan for dispatch and production. uh, it is a price sensitive market, but I completely agree that, but people here will look for value rather than price. If we give
Correct.
that value and people are ready to buy, as in Tamil Nadu, initially people told us that we cannot sell this product at 30 rupee, but the product price in Tamil Nadu, it's gone from 30 to 50 rupee right now. Most of the brands are selling the product at 50 rupees for this Goldi Soda, and the people are more crazed, and the people are getting this product and drinking. In that case, we don't want to worry on such competitors who can if we reduce 2 rupee for the product, they are ready to again reduce 2 rupee for the product to maintain their business. But we don't do that. We provide value to the customers. We don't encourage the vendors, we encourage the customers, so that if the customer requested our product, then the vendor automatically keeps our product in their shop.
Agree. Totally agree.
Yeah.
Right. So I think that was all about, Kaalaiyan Soda. In case if you would like to get in touch with us, it is indeed a great opportunity. Let me tell you, I mean, this brand is more than just a beverage brand. It is a revival of the legacy that Indian already loved and trust. So, I mean, with a culturally rooted product, strong market demand, and a clear franchise-led growth model, the brand is well positioned to scale India. Backed by attractive unit economics, we already have, seen it. You can see this on the screen right now, with a low operative risk and structural operational roadmap. Kaalaiyan, offers a rare opportunity to build a profitable business while bringing back the piece of India's heritage. As the market moves forward, local, authentic, and nostalgic brands, Kaalaiyan is ready to lead this movement. And now it is absolutely the right time to be a part of their successful journey and grow together, right? Lots of new things, hygiene, in terms of hygiene, the branding, is what makes this brand different, right? They also have, non sugar kind of product, which is good for those who are diabetic people. So, I mean, you get by offering this particular product in your particular market, in your respective markets, you will be offering a product which is good for everyone. So you will not only be operating, catering to the large audience, but also you will have a distribution-led model, which is fantastic in case if you really want the overall control over your business. It is a great opportunity. In case if you want, you can get in touch with our number. I already have shared that in the chat box. You can get in touch with us, and we can have a deep dive discussion more about it with Chitra. Chitra is the financial consultant, right? She's going to also help me, help us understand the deep dive. More knowledge about the brand. Chitra, before we end this, would you like to add anything from your end, being a consultant, about this opportunity for the investors?
Hi, Bharat. Actually, Vigneshwar has covered all the points, so I don't think anything is left.
All right. Okay. All right, great. Then thanks so much, Vigneshwar, for coming here today, talking about the brand, the business opportunity. I really appreciate you for coming here and providing this great model. Uh, And in case if anyone want, you can call us on our number, and we will have a discussion with Vigneshwar about the same. So that's it for the day, everyone. Thanks so much for joining. See you tomorrow once again with a new brand, and we'll explore another business opportunity. Till then, take care. Have a nice day ahead.